In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website mobile-friendly. We'll work right inside the Wix editor, switch to the mobile view, refine text and images for small screens, and then publish your changes with confidence. Open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in, switch from the desktop canvas to the mobile view using the highlighted mobile icon. This dedicated mobile workspace lets you adjust layout, spacing, and sizing without altering your desktop design, which is perfect for a true mobile-first polish. Next, open the Add panel and choose Text. From there, select Themed Text to stay consistent with your site's typography. Then pick Collapsible Text. On phones, long paragraphs can overwhelm, so a collapsible section helps keep content tidy and scannable. Place the section where it makes the most sense and use the highlighted guides to align it cleanly. Keep everything within the mobile safe margins to avoid cutoffs and accidental horizontal scrolling. If you're not already on your main page, navigate to the home page. Continue following the highlighted prompts in the editor to fine-tune spacing and hierarchy. If your header or menu overlaps, drag elements down until each block has clear breathing room. Small spacing tweaks make a big difference on smaller screens. Add any additional text elements you need. Use short headings and concise body copy, and stick with the themed styles for consistency and accessibility. Choose larger font sizes, bump line spacing slightly, and limit each paragraph to a few lines so it's easy to read on the go. Now bring in your visuals. Select Image from the Add panel and place it on the mobile canvas. Choose media that suits small screens, then crop or resize so the subject stays centered. Make sure images don't force horizontal scroll, and that they load quickly. Lighter images keep your site feeling fast and responsive. After placing, use the highlighted alignment tools to keep everything centered and evenly spaced. Work through the remaining highlighted suggestions the editor shows. These often include matching widths, ensuring consistent alignment, and verifying that buttons and tap targets are large enough for thumbs. A little extra padding around interactive elements dramatically improves usability. When everything looks balanced and reads clearly, click Publish. Your mobile edits will be saved while your desktop layout stays intact. As you wrap up, keep text contrast high, avoid tiny fonts, and limit heavy animations that can feel jittery on phones. After publishing, give your site a quick check on a real device to confirm there's no horizontal scroll and that images and links behave as expected. That's it! Your Wix site is now mobile-friendly.